He was a wonderful man. He was the type of doctor that if a patient was in need of money, he would have them come back to his office privately and help them out. Everybody loved him.
74-year-old Dr. Stephen Schwartz, a kidney specialist, was found dead from 2 gunshot wounds in the garage of his Tarpon Springs mansion back in May 2014. Now, almost 11 years later, a civil court has found that his wife at the time, 64-year-old Rebecca Schwartz, quote, unlawfully and intentionally killed or participated in procuring the death of Schwartz as part of a civil lawsuit brought against her by his 3 kids.
The case we presented to the jury, the motive was very clear. It was money. The testimony was that she'd been embezzling money from Dr. Schwartz, she the defendant, for years and giving it to her kids and starting a marijuana grow house with a handyman.
As the plaintiff's attorney, Will Florin, explains, he argued in court Dr. Schwartz found out about the embezzlement and threatened to divorce her, which would have left her penniless.
She was caught red-handed embezzling again by buying a Verizon wireless store in Wisconsin for one of her sons from a previous marriage. And this time it was enough. And as he left for work at the hospital to do his rounds, he was going down the stairs and, according to the forensic evidence, shot twice in the head.
His wife was never charged with murder, but their handyman did end up pleading guilty to 1 count of accessory to the murder and deported back to Albania. Detectives found his DNA on Stephen Schwartz's shirt. Also, cell phone records didn't match his alibi.
The handyman that was later convicted of an accessory after the fact was sent to the scene to clean up the mess, take the hard drive of the surveillance system, take a butcher knife and try to retrieve the bullets.
Florin says his kids are pleased with the verdict, but say they will likely only collect anywhere from $10 to $20 million. We made attempts to reach Rebecca Schwartz's attorney and are still waiting to hear back. As for the criminal investigation, even though their handyman was charged, State Attorney Bruce Bartlett told the Tampa Bay Times the case will, quote, remain open until such time as we gather sufficient evidence to make an arrest. Reporting in Tarpon Springs, Jordan Bowen, Fox 13 News.